Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly calendar to your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to your SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to be selling coaching. So you want to make your Calendly available once your customers have made their payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Calendly to SamCart, first you have to create the product. So I'm not going to go into deep detail on that. If you need help creating a product in SamCart, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But basically, you're going to go over here to products. Once you're here in products, you want to click on new product. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and name the product. Okay, after you name the product, go ahead and click product type, and you want to choose digital product or service. Once you do that, go ahead and enter the price for your coaching, let's say $9.99. Okay, and then click create product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to set up the product with the images. Again, I'm not going to go into that today, but to connect your Calendly to your product, what you're going to do is click here on this line right here, digital. Once you click in digital, you're going to see this right here, digital file type. Click on digital file link. Next, you're going to see this right here, digital file link. This is where you're going to enter your Calendly link. So I've already opened my Calendly right here, and all you're going to do is go ahead and choose your product, copy the link. Okay, now you have your Calendly calendar copy to your clipboard. So click on edit product, and then we're going to go ahead and just paste it right in here. And then maybe you might want to put in schedule here on my calendar. Okay, once you've done that and you're finished setting up your product, click on Save Changes. All right, you should see this green right here. Changes successfully saved. Now we can go here to design. Okay, now we can copy the URL and preview. Okay, so as you can see, this is the checkout. So we have our coaching right here, and then they can make their payment. As soon as they make their payment, they're going to receive an email confirmation from your SamCart, including your Calendly link. So that way they can go in there and schedule their coaching call. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your Calendly to your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.